So, a quick tip to help when you're moving hardware, particularly very small screws. In this case, I'm moving them from the chintzy box that they came in with a broken hinge into a permanent box. And I can try and grab them with my fingers, and these are M3s, so not so tiny, not so hard, but still a bit of a struggle. Or I could use a nice pair of needle nose pliers or even the chintzy tweezers that come with some of this hardware. But I'm going to use a magnet instead. It's a magnet on the end of this screwdriver, and in just moments, you can move the whole collection, in this case, of the M3 by 12 screws, and not shoot any across the room, particularly as they're very small and you're using tweezers or pliers. And in a moment, they're all moved. So, just in case you hadn't thought of it, use a magnet and you'll get this task done quickly and a lot more easily. Thanks for watching.